groove back. I lost my groove. You can mock me. I was once like you. Now I'm a nothing.
Oh, perfect. So you guys can come right over here. Perfect. I like this.
Can I get mine so I can shake it? Alright, I'm gonna go.
Right this way now. Lovely people on the dock. Bye bye, lovely people. Bye. Bye, Skipper Brian. He's great, guys, even if it is his last day here. Yeah, you're going to the world of motion, sweetie. Bye. Everybody in line. 2 hours left. You're doing great. Bye. Not amused. Bye. You're never going to see them ever again. Oh, it's not like you ever really saw them before, so honestly, who cares? Right? I mean, I've never seen a single one of you before in my entire life. No, sorry. You look a lot like someone else I know. I'm sorry. Yikes. We're all about to be together, I think, for the next 10 to 12 awkward minutes. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Emma. Today I'll be your skipper, tour guide, personal life coach, snake charmer, lion tamer, and if you don't care for my jokes, I could be your swim instructor, I guess. He'll be fine. There's no snake. We are starting off today in the Amazon rainforest, and right here we're passing Inspiration Rock. You can see how inspirational it is, because it's a rock. It sure does rock things, I guess. It rocks, whatever. Yeah, that effect's broken. Moving on now, and we're heading into the Congo River, and we are going to find out just how far this river can go. He's just like, I'm done, get me off this point. Same. Now, sitting ahead on the beach are my pygmy friends waiting right over there for us. Oh, sorry. I don't think be there. I guess they abandoned me again. I can't see any of them canoe. No. I think maybe they got scared off by the man-eating python ahead of us here. It's man-eating. 2/3 of us are totally fine. Sorry. Actually, I think I do have snake repellent at camp up ahead, so why don't we pull over real quick? Actually, no, we're not doing that. Sorry, guys. It appears that my crew has decided to monkey around since I left them earlier, so thanks, guys. You're being real professionals right now. Can't stand them. They have been driving me bananas the whole time we've been camped here. Yeah, but they're the only ones in about 10 miles who can get my Jeep to turn over for me, so sometimes in life, kids, you just gotta pick your battles. But I know I'm never going to see my monkey wrench again. I just need to get over it real quick. Now, anyway, we're moving into the Nile River. Now, the Nile River is, in fact, the longest river in Africa. Did you know that?
Me? Well,
No.
yeah, because if you don't, you're in denial.
Not him. Whatever. Yes, the river goes on for miles and 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 elephant miles. And if you don't believe me, you could be in
Denial.
disbelief. Here we are at the African velds. We have some wildebeest, giraffes, gazelles, stripy horses, and lions. And oh, guys, those lions are being so sweet right now. That stripy horse is dead. Tired. No, he's totally fine, guys. Trust me. He just had a late night. I think we should really just let them rest in peace, you know? I don't want to interrupt anything. I've seen Lion King. Yeah, no. Moving on now. Up here is... Wow. Well, okay. That is definitely something I haven't seen before in the last 10 to 12 minutes. That is one pointy hippo. And I'm just going to make a rough guess here. Probably around 3-4-ish million rocks on that beach. which is a lot of rocks. And every time I see it, I think, wow, how can so many rocks be in the same place at the same time? It's kind of amazing, you know, the more you think about it, downright mind-blowing even. And no, I'm kidding. Kidding. But as you can probably guess by now, I've done this once or twice. I have been around, and around, and around, and around. And it's pretty sad, I know, that you two kids can go to 4 years of art school and then drive a boat in circles in Walt Disney World. Here we are at Schweitzer Falls, named after famed archaeologist Dr. Albert Falls. Oh no, I hope we make this turn. This is so exciting. Thrilling, daring adventure. I hope we make it. Oh no, this is something. Hey, we made it, yay! We might go over it later, so no promises. The crash site over here, only one thing could have caused this. Anyone know what it might be? That is a plane. Very good, yes. Hippos, the airplane's natural enemy. But good news, yes. Very dangerous creatures. Hopefully not going to create too much trouble for us today. Oh, look, they're charging. Well, that's fine. I can hear them. I got this. Don't worry.
Love you. I'm ready for my mission. Love you. I'm ready for my mission. A white box on our way.
Oh, good. It worked just like it did on my ex. Great. No, I'm kidding. I've never had an ex. I'm pretty lonely, actually. I know, it's hard to tell, isn't it? Anyway, we are heading into headhunter territory now, which I have heard is a terrible, awful place to be headed. I'm not too worried, though. They're pretty nice. So, hey, Carl. They said something about an ambush. I think that's a plant. No idea. Well, anyway, an ambush. I think it's going to be that one. Sure. Now, here it is, folks, the 8th wonder of the world, the amazing, astounding, incredible, that side of water! Thank you. Oh, you're so sweet, buddy. Thank you, but it's just my job. Although I did think that was a pretty refreshing 852 types of bacteria. We've now entered the Congo River, and up ahead is an ancient Cambodian temple. So, what do you guys think? Should we go inside? I'm glad we took a vote on this, because we don't have a choice. I just wanted you guys to feel empowered by voting, but no, we have to go inside. That's a whole thing. Sorry. Your skipper. It's because they've got their trunks on, and I think they look pretty good too, so good job, Bertha. She's my favorite there. Yeah, I don't know how she's showering with no water. It's kind of amazing, though. Now, a couple elephants ahead got in some very big trouble the other day for spraying a boat, but I'm not concerned, guys. Okay, maybe I was wrong. We are going to get out of here. No, down, sit. Good boy. Good. No, down, sit. Good girl. Close. I guess. Looked like they almost got us, and then they didn't. Yeah, remember that part? Yeah? No. But it's not water, so we're good. Yeah. It's not water, guys. It's not. It's allergies. Now coming up over here on this side is my good friend and yours, Trader Sam. Everybody say hi, Sam. Hello. Sam here has a great head for business, as you see here, but it has been shrinking lately. So he just recently came up with a great new sale, 2 of his heads for the price of only 1 of yours. Which honestly, I think sounds great. I mean, you're really guaranteed to come out ahead no matter which way it's sliced or diced. Okay, well, and if this isn't to your taste, Sam has a day job as the owner of our sponsor today, Sam's Cannibal Cafe, where every week they find a new, exciting, different way to serve you. A lot of great finger food options, and we recommend the shish kebab and the shish kajeri. I mean, I can't, I'm vegan. Weird, I know. But, we are now approaching the most terrifying and dangerous part of our journey, everybody. It's the return to civilization. Dun, dun, dun. It's really scary for me, because you get to leave and enjoy the rest of your day, and I get to stay in the boat and tell these jokes over and over again. Help me. Now, when you exit the boat, guys, please make sure not to cross over anything here in the middle, please, because it's really not a great idea, and generally crossing over is considered more of a haunted mansion thing. You know, it's not our style. Although I do hear that they've been dying to have you. Yeah, we got 999 happy haunts, but there's always room for 1 more, so, any volunteers? No? Okay, well, they'll find... What? I'm sorry? Okay, well, they'll find ghost number 1000 someday. I know, they've been trying for like 50 years now. What is up with that? Seriously. No, anyway, now, I know goodbyes are very difficult, very emotional things, you know. It's hard to say goodbye sometimes. I mean, out of all the trips I've taken today, guys, you've really been one of them, you know. But I just have a lot of trouble expressing my feelings, because I don't really have any, so... Get out. Wow, that was rude. Sorry. Please get out. Oh, thank you for the video pause. Watch your